My name is Jessica Diaz. I live in Barcelona, but I was born in London and I'm half Indian, half Irish. I did the 100-hour yoga teacher training course at India Yoga School, and I have been so happy with my experience. I actually wish I was doing the 200 hours now. I wish I wasn't leaving. The food is also delicious. Accommodation has been really clean and everyone at the accommodation has been super friendly. Some of the highlights of my time here have been the early morning pranayama classes. I wasn't expecting to enjoy them as much as I did, but I really, really enjoyed them. The teachers have been incredible. They've been super knowledgeable, really easy to talk to, really easy to communicate with, really flexible as well. I've felt like I've had the perfect balance of learning, practical, and also free time. If you're interested in becoming a yoga teacher, I highly recommend coming to India Yoga School. It's been incredible, and I'm super grateful for my experience here, and I can't wait to come back to finish it.